For the international patient seeking to regain peak mobility in Greece, we provide a bridge between world-class surgery and a high-performance lifestyle. Our experts manage the critical window where surgical success meets physical integration, ensuring a seamless transition from the operating theater to full functional independence during your stay in a luxury villa or hotel suite.
At FZEIN, we understand that a flawless surgical execution is only the first half of a successful outcome. True restoration happens in the critical days that follow. Our elite team of physiotherapists, personal trainers, and private nurses are specifically trained to manage the delicate, immediate post-operative phases of the world's most advanced orthopedic interventions.
Restoring motion, preserving precision. For clients undergoing total hip and knee arthroplasty, our focus is immediate, structured excellence. We implement specialized protocols designed for rapid, stable mobilization and precise gait correction, ensuring the transition from surgery to movement is seamless and secure. This same high-precision dedication extends to robotic-assisted joint replacements, where our recovery workflows are meticulously aligned with the ultramodern surgical technologies used by leading surgeons.
Specialized care for active lifespan restoration. Joint preservation requires an equally sophisticated touch. For patients recovering from advanced arthroscopy of the hip or knee, our team prioritizes early-stage inflammation control and joint mechanics to protect the integrity of the scope. We deliver highly focused, progressive rehabilitation designed to safely accelerate the journey back to peak performance.
Meet the FZEIN specialized pathways. Precision recovery, elevated performance,